My name's Becca, and before enrolling in social media for BrandNewbs, I really didn't have a plan or strategy on what to post, when to post, why I'm posting. But after taking the course, I really nailed down kind of a strategy, laying it all out ahead of time so it saves you time during the week. You don't have to stress about each day what you're going to post. You have it all set with a plan in mind. I also loved learning email marketing tips, being able to set up a sequence that you can make ahead of time and then it'll automatically send to save you time in the long run. So just less work on your part but still giving great value to your clients. I really love that aspect, and I love the worksheets each week. It kind of helped you break down each step and to just refer back to along the way, and he had a lot of examples, Jamar, that helped me just kind of have an example to go by. I really enjoyed that. So I definitely learned a lot during these few weeks, and I highly recommend Jamar. He's so fun, outgoing, easy to get along with. You'll learn a lot, and definitely give him a shout. So, thanks.